Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Color to build palettes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Adobe Color, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Color website. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your email and password to log in. If you do not have an account, click on the Create an Account link found on the sign-in page. Fill in your details, including your first name, last name, email address, and password. After filling out the form, review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms, then click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Go to your email and find this message. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once your account is verified, return to the Adobe Color website. Log in again with your newly created credentials if necessary. After logging in, you will find various color palette features. Explore the options available such as creating a new color palette, exploring trends, or viewing popular palettes. To create your own, click on the Create button. Use the color wheel or the sliders to select your desired colors. You can also enter specific hex codes if you have particular shades in mind. As you modify colors, the palette will update in real time. Once you are satisfied with your color palette, click on the Save option. Give your palette a memorable name for easy reference in the future. You may also add tags or descriptions to categorize your palette effectively. Lastly, click Save again to store your palette in your Adobe Color account. Your new color palette is now ready for use in your design projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.